Hello everybody, we're the Lemonades, and today we're going to be talking about 12s. 12s are very tricky. It's okay if you don't understand it at first. That's okay. Everything takes practice and time.
So we're going to begin with just some simple talk about 12s. So a simple thing about 12s is that 12 times 1 is kind of what do you want to start on. We're just going to start on 1. So what's 12 times 1? Or
12.
We could do 12
Plus 0?
plus nothing, because it's only 12 times 1. But what if we did, this is a little refresher from our zeros video, what if we did 12 times 0?
That is 0. Because you have no cookies on your plate.
Because if you have something, you times it, or you times it by nothing.
So you have 12. You have
12 baskets.
Yeah.
But you have 0 cookies. You might as well just sell off those baskets because there's no use of them.
Yeah. There's no cookies to put in. So how many cookies do you have? You have 0.
So the next thing we're going to discuss is that's a little refresher. If you do not understand that, make sure you go check out our zero video because that will help you understand this greatly. Now we're going to move on to our Mr. 12. So we're going to do 12 times 2. We're just going to go through them all and understand them. So one of the ways to solve them is 12 plus 12.
I know that one, 24.
That's good. What if you still
And if I want to do 12 times 3, I can just add another 12 to 24.
Or you can do like that, and then, but if you want to be a little bit more fancy, you do not have to know this until you get older. But what it is you take your 12, then let's just do 2, and then you take 2 times 2. And what is that?
2 times 2 is 24. 2 times 2 is 4.
You're a good student. We all make mistakes. And then, so this is really hard to understand. It is totally fun if you guys don't understand this. We're just showing this because this is how you learn it when you get older. And so, what's 1 times 2?
1 times 2 is 2.
All right, and so that would be 24, which
now
gives
we
us
want
the
you
same
to try
answer
these equations.
before we
Take
added
as long
that
as
12.
you need. We're
So
going
that
to give
would
you
be,
like 5 seconds here.
This is our answer. We get the same way in different ways. But if you do not understand that, that is totally okay. But if you do need time, which you probably should, make sure you stop the video. All right. I'm going to transition here and try pause the video if you still need to. All right. So the first equation we are going to do is 12 times 6. So how you do that is we're going to do the ways. We're going to do 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 12, which would be 6. Well, that's a lot to count, so I'm going to loop 24, loop 24, and then whoop, loop 24. And so then if you connect these all, that would be 24, 48. And I don't know how to add 48 plus 24, because that's a little bit hard to do in your head. So if you don't know how to do it, great. I'm just going to demonstrate how to do that. So you just add your 24, and then 8 plus 4 is
What?
What's 8 plus 4?
8 plus 4 is 12.
So now in our addition, we're going to add our 1 up here, we're going to add our 2 down here, and then we're going to do 1 plus 4, and then what's 1 plus 4?
1 plus 4 is 5.
And then 5, you take your 5, and then you have to add it to the 2, which is
7.
After you do that, that's our 6th one. We are not going to, now we're going to do the other ones. Okay, now we're going to do 12 times 7. So then we're going to do the 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 7. So 12, 12, 12, which is 24. These 12s are 20. So we have two 24s right now. 24, 24, and then 24, 24, which is what we learned before, which is 48 plus 48, or plus, what's 24 plus is 36. So then we're going to take our 36 plus our 48, and then we're going to 14, and then what's 4 plus 4?
4 plus 4 is 8.
Alright, so now we have our 84. And we're going to do one more equation, and if you really want to challenge yourself, do 12 times 12, and we'll leave you the answer in the description. So now we're going to do 12 times 8. And we're going to have 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 9. That's bad. So 12, 12, 12, 12. And I forgot to show the other way last time, so we're just going to do both ways this time. So it's just 24, 24, 24, and 24, which would be 48 plus 48. Which is, because we know that 24 plus 24 is 48, and we have another 24 plus 44 is 48. So 8 plus 8 is,
16.
and what's 5 plus 4?
9.
So that's 96. Now we are going to show the other way, which is we're going to take our 12, then we're going to add the 0, and then we're going to do it times 8, which would be, so we're going to do 8 times 10, which is,
80.
and 8 times 2 is,
16.
and so now we're going to add it together is 6, 9, which is the same answer as the other way. So if you really want to challenge yourself, again, try the 12 times 12 and 12 times 11. But other than that, we're going to leave the answers in the description. Other than that, goodbye.
See